Hey guys, it's Linabugz. Today I'm going to be doing a strange and unusual look using Hot Topic's Handbook for the Recently Deceased palette. Let's get started. So for these palettes, I like to use a really strong, sticky white base. So I always use Kat Von D's Lock-It Concealer in whiteout because the pigments will show up the most opaque. So I'm gonna put that all over my lid and just blend it in. Just gonna add a little bit more so we can get it super white. So we're gonna dip into the palette now, and the colors that we're gonna be using are Beetlejuice, Dark Room, and Dante's Inferno. So first we're gonna take the green shade Beetlejuice and I'm gonna pop that all over my crease and the lid. This pigment is so good. So we're gonna take this to the lower crease, and since Beetlejuice is dead and we're going for a Beetlejuice look, take it pretty low in there. The whole undead look is what we're going for. So now we're going to take the same Beetlejuice shade and just pack that into the lid. And then if you want to take a clean blending brush to kind of take this down even further, don't be afraid to take it down really low and get a little crazy with it. So now we're going to be taking another brush and we're going to be taking the shade Dark Room, and we're going to do the exact same thing that we did on this eye, but with another color on this eye. Since this is a darker color, put it lower into your crease, and then we're going to blend it out with a bigger blending brush so we still keep it really smoky and blended. So we're gonna go back in with Kat Von D's Lock-It Concealer and a Furless Cosmetics little detail brush, and we're gonna place a little bit more concealer on my inner corner. So for my inner corner highlight, I'm gonna be using Dante's Inferno, and then I'm gonna mix a little bit of Juno in there as well. So cute. So for my brow bone highlight and my face highlight, I'm going to be using a mix of Juno and Afterlife. It makes the perfect golden pearly highlight shade. I used it yesterday all over my face and I was like, this is beautiful. It's so good. So I'm gonna pop on some lashes and a lip, and then it's showtime. So now I'm gonna pop on some lower lashes. And now for a nice dark black lip. Okay, so that is it for this strange and unusual look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to follow me on my socials at Linabugz on YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. And the palette is available in stores at Hot Topic and online at hottopic.com. Thanks so much for joining us. See you next time.